Hi everyone, welcome to Bhavani VLSI Labs. I am Nagaraj Ramawat from NIT Jaipur and this is my first video on this channel. The reason I started this channel is simple. When I was exploring VLSI, I realized that there is a big gap between what we study in college and what the industry actually needs. So through this channel, I will be sharing roadmaps, tools and career guidance for freshers who want to get into VLSI. What is VLSI? Let's start with the basics. VLSI means Very Large Scale Integration. In simple words, it's the technology of fitting millions of transistors into a single chip. Without VLSI, we would not have smartphones, laptops, or even modern cars. It's the brain behind every electronic device we use today. Why VLSI is important? So, why should students care about VLSI? Because it is the foundation of chip design. It doesn't just teach you tools. It builds problem solving and debugging skills. And most importantly, the semiconductor industry is growing faster than ever. And companies need engineers who understand VLSI. ASIC design flow. Before diving deep into VLSI, you must know the ASIC design flow. ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit. This flow gives you a complete picture of how a chip designed from an idea all the way to the final level. It's like learning the blueprint of how. Before you start building it once you understand this, everything else is VLSI becomes clear. Career paths in VLSI. Now, where you can build a career in VLSI, there are mainly two paths, front end and back end. Front end design and verification. Here, you will work with RTL coding and Verilog, SystemVerilog and verification methodologies like 𝐘𝐬𝐬. Back end in physical design. This is where you work on synthesis, placement and routing, and timing analysis to prepare the final chip layout. If you love coding, debugging and logic, front-end may be path yours. If you enjoy working on layouts and implementation, back-end could be your fit. Both are high demand in the industry. Use skills you need. To succeed in VLSI, you should focus on digital electronics and CMOS basic, VLSI physical design flow. Tools like Synopsys Design Compiler, ICC2, Primetime, Tanner, ECE. Don't worry, on this channel I will guide you step by step on this. So let's conclusion. So to wrap it up, front end plus back end equal to complete ASIC flow. So both paths have career opportunities. And this channel, Bhavani VLSI Labs, is here to help you bridge the gap between academics and semiconductor industry. This is just beginning. In upcoming videos, I will be sharing VLSI roadmaps, tools and tutorials and placement guidance. If you find this useful, do like and share and subscribe and join me up this channel into VLSI. Thank you for watching my first video and see you the next one.